kumusta kayo mga Dre? Kasama ko yung big guys, oh. Mga kaibigan natin. Sir Ray Bihar.
Hello. Kumusta po sa inyo? Happy New Year, Rai TV.
Yan. Sir Alex.
Yes, Rai TV ha. Don't forget.
Yan, makiki-birthday po kami ngayon kay Tatay Bal. Happy birthday po, Tatay Bal. Sana ay marami pang dumating.
Tay Paliglesia, happy birthday sa'yo. Wishing you all the best.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Samahan nyo kami, pasyal tayo doon. Andun yung mga ibang kaibigan natin. Hintayin lang natin si, Kuya Alex. Yung isa pang Kuya Alex. Dito po kami ngayon sa Santa Lucia. Tropical hot. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wish.
Alright, wish! Wish muna tayo.
Ayan na. Ayan na, ang pinali. Yes. Ayan.
Alright!
Alright. Cake muna. Picture kasama ng cake. Oh, cake to lang. Cake to lang. Para shooting. Para shooting, cake to. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright.
Happy birthday po.
Happy greetings.
At kung sakali mang tuluyan nang mawalayan pag-ibig mo, sabihin
Alright.
at kung sakali hirap magdusa, ito'y aking matutulis. Maghirap-aro, maghindapi, baka sakaling mahal mo pa ako. Mabuhay! Mr. Baliglesia, mabuhay ka!
Let's go!
Ang gawin na para sa iyo. Higit sa lahat, sa iyo, Erap.
Grabe si The King. Nabu.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Paalam.